Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how to use the UTM, which is a universal tensile testing machine for mechanical strength measurement. As you can see in here, the UTM, which is the universal tensile testing machine, included three main parts. First is the computer control system. Second is the main part of the measurement system. Third is the air compressor system. So to start the measurement, first thing you need to turn on the measurement system and also the air compressor together with the computer system. To turn on the measurement system, we have a on-off switch here, the power switch here. So you need to turn on by using this switch, switch it on. For the air compressor, we need to turn it on and also make it works to the connecting it with the measurement system by pulling it up and turn this one 90 degree. Now we're gonna work on the computer, the control. What you need to do is open the application, which is trade here. Yeah, so you're gonna open this application, which is Trap Zeman Max. Open this. So here is the interface of the software. This is the program. You can change it into it's now in Korean, and you can change it into English by click on this one and change into English. Yeah, this is English, and then click confirm and then restart the program. So now the software, the program is in English. The first thing you need to do is calibration for the measurement system by hardware setting. Click on hardware setting, and then second tab, calibration, and then click on eCall, electronic calibration. Click OK. And waiting for it to finish the calibration. It will calibrate automatically. After finishing the calibration, you click close and click OK. Now if you already have the test condition or the test method, you can just go to select the method and test. But if you do not have already a test method, you need to create a new test method by click on create new method. Here we need to set up everything for your measurement from specimen to the system of the computer also. Here starting from system, if you are measuring the tensile or the shear strength, you just make sure here is single test, and here is tensile type, force polarity, tensile, force direction is up, and next sensor. For sensoring, the limits here is just leave it like it is. Stroke, leave it extensometer. Normally we have extensometer, but it's broken now. But if it is fixed, you can use the extensometer here by click on extensometer 1 channel, leave it, displacement and stroke, strain, width, yeah, nothing here. For testing, next for testing, nothing you need to. For the specimen, here you need to select the type of material for your specimen. For example, in my case, I'm doing for metal, so I select metal. shape. There will be plate, rod, tube, balance, ring, or orange. But in my case, I select plate. And here is the dimension for the standard specimen. You need to fill in thickness. For example, in my case, the thickness is 0.3. The width is 20. Gauge length will be 40. Yeah, and then here is size for a millimeter. Data processing. They will have example for data processing here, shown in the graph here. Chart. Leave it on to 0. Yeah, maximum, minimum 0. And then report. So after you set up all the test method, you now need to save this method by click on save this method here on the left side. Click on save this method and then save this method 2021. Yeah, save this method and then click on test with this method. Yeah. Now you need to insert the specimen into the measuring system, the polling system here. There will be the control down here for the upper grip and lower grip with open and close mode. So now we're going to start to install the specimen into this clipping system. First, you need to put the specimen into the gripping device here, and together with that, as we are going to grip on the lower gripper, so you're gonna check on lower gripper down here and push or press on the close side. Yeah, after it has been tightly gripped, we stop. We also need to use a control panel on the side here to move the grip up and down to fit with the length of the specimen that we have. So to use this control panel, we first turn on the control panel by click and I press on manual when the blue light on. So now we can control the upper clipper down or up by this button, down or up. So I'm going to move it up. Yeah. As the upper grip has reached to the length of the specimen, now you're gonna control the grip to grab the specimen tightly. Also, similar thing. We go to the pressing system here. Press on close. Yeah. Now the gripper has tightly gripped the specimen. So we stop. So during the gripping the specimen will be stressed out. So it's indicated here the force now is 91 Newton. We need to move this one to close to 0 by control this rolling here. Yeah. After that, you turn off this system. and then come back to the computer system. So here is the control for the test. We first need to make sure this one is commit 0 for the displacement, and the force level we have just calibrated here. So now we are ready to start the test. You will click on start test on the left side here to start the test. Click on start test and start test. So the result is coming out. It's increasing the force and also the displacement on this here, as you can see. We will wait until the specimen is broken or fractured. Thus, the system will automatically detect the fracture and it will stop. So after the the fracture happens, the system will automatically stop, and then we'll get our result like this. And the x-axis will be the displacement, and the y-axis will be the force. And we will convert this one into the stress strain curve. So first we need to save our file. There's two different files to save. First, CSV file. Click on save as CSV file and type the file name. Save. And then the second one is PDF file. File name and then save one file. Yeah. So after saving the file, you click on next test to start a next test. So this is the process to conduct the mechanical strength measurement, especially in tensile strength measurement. Thank you for watching and good luck.